What's going on, guys? This is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can boot into BIOS of your VMware Workstation or virtual machine. VMware Workstation is an application that can help you to run multiple operating systems as a virtual machine in one single computer. Here you can see I had installed VMware 25AS2 on my computer. And here I have couple of virtual machines. I have macOS, Linux and Windows operating system. Now in our regular computer, if we want to boot into our computer BIOS, what we are gonna do, we restart our computer and press the BIOS key to boot into computer BIOS. But in virtual machine or VMware Workstation, how you can access the BIOS of any virtual machine. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So here you can see I have the Windows 11 virtual machine. Now if I click on power on this virtual machine, it will directly boot into the system. But if you want to get into BIOS of this virtual machine, you have to right click on this Windows 11 virtual machine or any virtual machine you want. Then from here go to power, then click on power on to firmware. And now your VMware virtual machine should boot into BIOS. Here you can see we get access into our BIOS of this VMware Workstation Windows 11 virtual machine. Now from here we can make changes to our BIOS of this VMware. So guys, like this you can access the BIOS of the VMware or the virtual machines. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.